here.
7.
Hello, viewers. We have Gigi over there trying the technology thing. She is trying to hook the GoPro up to her phone so we can get another angle. So, just in case I put this out there, I just wanted to go ahead and record it, but it might get good.
It won't. It's telling me to open something. I can't even see that side of the camera. You have to see the other side. Should I just push it down? Go connections.
There's nothing on here. What do I need to do? Okay, so I'm going to help her a little bit.
You got to put it in pairing mode. Press and hold it. No,
hold on.
That turns it off.
Let me get the right screen.
Good. Tiny handle.
Connections, maybe?
Yes, that's what I said.
Oh.
And then tap connect new device.
Connect device. Don't say new device.
We'll
Wi-Fi bound. It's on. Connect device. GoPro app.
Yep.
Sure. Install the GoPro app on your phone. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. That's all it says.
We found it.
Yeah, see, that's what mine does. What does it say? Lost connection to your GoPro.
Try again. Connect the GoPro.
Bluetooth device 07. There you go. My camera's on. Connect. Yeah, sure.
Nope. Not in whatever mode.
Pair mode?
Yeah.
Should be. Says it is.
Line.
Okay. Well, Bluetooth device. Connect. Hold on. Alright, so.
And then tap the GoPro app to see your camera's ID and password.
Connect device. Bluetooth device?
Yeah, yeah.
No, it says it's on.
It says try rebooting it.
Rebooting what?
The GoPro. Press and hold the power button for 20 seconds, release it, and then follow the on-screen instructions and try again. We don't need to do that right now.
So do what?
All of that.
Yeah, it's probably going to disconnect it from mine. That's probably the problem.
Don't worry about it. We'll get it.
Hold on. He said just cut off and hold it for what? 20 seconds?
Well, release it and then follow the instructions.
It powered on is all it done.
Go to connections.
Connections. Okay, wireless connection is on. Connect device.
Yes, connect new device.
Camera info, Wi-Fi band. Okay, connect device. GoPro app or smart remote or Bluetooth device.
App.
Let's go to app. I've been going to
No, app.
install. It says install it on there.
Next. Hold on. Pair.
Connection successful. It made it. There we go. Now, what'd you put?
Leave us your name. Connect to the cloud auto upload, get highlight videos.
Later.
Do I want to enable notifications now?
You don't need them. He ain't notifying nothing. Okay. Now.
I tell you how to earlier. You had that one way down there.
Alright, go to enable preview. Yep. So you can record and stop from your phone. You don't have to touch that camera and all that crap. Turn it sideways. Oh, you ain't got to rotate on.
Do I need it?
Not really. So if you want to record or take a still picture or set a timer so you can get away from the camera before it starts recording, that's what all this does. And then once you get done, you can back up, and down here across the bottom has edit. It has the editing software in there, so you can edit it, post it.
So then why are we fighting with the computer every day? Okay.
It don't have all the transitioning effects and stuff that I like to put in there just to make it a smoother and better looking video. I mean, it'll do the basics, and then this one does live, and so does this one. So either camera we can go live on Facebook or TikTok.
Yeah.
We can't go YouTube yet. Speaking of which, I need to go check YouTube, make sure, check our comments, and viewers, once we hit that 50 subscriber mark, we'll be able to go live.
Is it recording?
On YouTube. This one is. So we need y'all's help to hit that 50 mark. We can start going live. Like today, we're out door dashing, and I hadn't had a chance to set the cameras up because we've been running since we clocked on pretty much. They have run us. We paused it a couple times to go eat and to go spend money. Yeah, shopping. I know y'all can see all this junk behind us here. Yeah, that's Gigi's work stuff. That's
work
Gigi's work stuff. So
I do need to go.
I mean, we're getting the views. The views is looking good. Keep up the good work, viewers. I appreciate y'all. We just need more subscribers. Be sure to hit that like and share. Maybe we can pick up some more that way. Yes, ma'am.
And for anybody that's got something to say about my little bruise here, mind your business. I'm clumsy. That's all we're gonna say. I was trying to wash dishes.
She is washing little frog's cup, and it's a tumbler, and it's got a screw-on lid. And I think she was trying to pull it off like she does mine.
I couldn't unscrew because my hands were wet, so I grabbed it by the little thing that raises so you can put a straw in it.
Oh, yeah.
And I done it like that, and when I done it like that, that popped off, and a whole cup come up and caught me in the mouth. I almost threw the cup in the garbage.
So y'all see what my life is like every day. It is entertainment.
Terrible.
It's entertainment.
Yeah, that's it.
So let's see.
I do have to go to Goodwill. I need to look for something.
No, we spend too much money.
You just stay in the truck then.
I can't.
Okay then.
They might have some attachment for the cameras or something.
Exactly.
You know, like the ones I left at home and need today.
Yeah. But home is a long way
So
away.
I've been trying to get the camera set up. We just got the GoPro setting up. It's not even on. It's not recording right now. And I'm trying to get all my wires run to run, you know, keep them charged. Keep the phone chargers running, give her power to charge her laptop, and yeah, it's a mess, but I got it going in the right direction. I just need a couple more parts and a little more time. But yeah, so right now we're just sitting here watching the rain because it is raining like crazy, and it's slowed down now. Now that we've paused the dash a few times. So we'll see. don't see no comments right now. It's hard to do on here too.
That's because nobody ever comments. They just watch them.
That's all good. Appreciate y'all watching for sure. And if you got questions or what kind of entertainment you want to see,
What?
drop it in the comments. Well, see, like I said, I don't know where her mind's at, but okay.
Listening to you and Becky.
So, anyway, drop it in them comments. And if it's something we can do, that's within YouTube's boundaries.
And mine.
We'll see what we can do to get that out there. So where we going? Back that way?
You need me to pull it direction?
No, I know what Goodville's at from here. Back the way we was headed a while ago before we turned around and come here.
Sure.
What is that? Oh, you got it mapped already, or you got it going somewhere else?
No.
And then
Don't leave your window down.
I'm not. So
Dirty window. Every time it rains.
I was debating on going ahead and running this wire, but
Nah.
since we're sitting here,
It's so late.
the cord ain't long enough, I don't think.
We got
So-
40 minutes and we're going home.
So there you have it. Gigi said we have 40 minutes and we're going home.
39.
I want to get one of these cameras turned around so y'all can watch.
The dum-dum.
Yeah, that we have to ride around with.
Truck is smoking like crazy, but it brings.
Head east towards CS 1123.
That's steam there.
Turn
Yeah.
left onto CS 1123.
But
then
yeah,
turn
just
left
some
onto
of the
Evans Avenue.
some of the drivers
Left
that's out
onto
here.
Evans Avenue. Then turn left onto Vance Drive.
And all of these people that can't drive would go to New York or Atlanta.
And DoorDash. If anybody that works for DoorDash,
You have to go left. All right. I think it's telling us to go left, huh?
yeah, I know where to go. Anyway, if anybody that works for DoorDash that has anything to do with their map system, y'all really need to work on that,
Yes.
because it'll tell me to go somewhere and it'll have me sitting in a parking lot, and then it'll want me to go out and go around
Turn left
4
onto
miles
Vance
of
Drive.
road back around and come back to the street that I was just on, but 2 driveways over.
She's retarded.
And for the DoorDasher,
In 600 feet, turn right onto
if anybody else is having these kind of problems, drop in the comments so I'll know it's not just mine.
Just tell me how to fix it.
So, guess we're gonna go down here to Goodwill and let Gigi look for whatever. Spend some more money.
Yeah, because it's always.
I've actually bought some pretty good stuff. I bought a tripod there last week before last.
Week 4.
That was brand new, that has never even had a camera on it. So I was like, I might can use that in the studio.
I don't
I
think.
paid like $5 for it.
Did we come last week?
We come every week.
Continue on Kentucky 686
No,
east.
last week was car show, so it was the week before
Yes.
last.
We did not come last
So yeah, we missed last week because we had that car show.
week.
The Cruising for Kids in Flemingburg, Kentucky. Do what?
Didn't make no money.
We didn't make money, but we had fun. I did. I enjoyed looking at all the cars.
I had more than I thought I would.
Yes, she actually had a smile on her face. So for the video that I lost,
Yeah.
a bunch of it, a bunch of content, that's what it was. The rest of the car show. And
Which camera was it? The DJI or the GoPro?
the DJI camera software is not compatible with all computers.
That's right. So DJI, fix your crap.
GoPro works with anything I plugged it up to. Well, my DJI drone, it is compatible with everything I've hooked it to. It's only this Action 5 Pro. It's something to do with the format in there, and it may be a setting that I can change, but I don't know. It's an But I don't know. So if anybody out there has got an Action 5 Pro and is running Windows 10, Windows 11, if there's a setting in there I need to change,
Tell me how to fix
please
it.
let me know. Because this thing is driving me crazy. I'm hoping this new computer I got coming is supposed to be here today. I'm hoping it fixes that problem. It's got a different graphics card in it. It's a different motherboard. It's running Windows 11 instead of 10. It's got a bunch of other stuff. It's bigger hard drive,
In 600
bigger
feet,
storage.
turn left.
So,
Turn left, then
and
turn
of course,
right.
we get ready to turn in the parking lot. Where are we going? 2 miles from Fort Ollie. You don't want that? Okay. It never fails. We get ready to turn in the parking lot where we want to go. DoorDash sends us something. I think she's watching us, and she knows when we finna go somewhere
Go
to
spend
eat,
money.
go spend money, something.
Come on.
She'll send us a dash.
It's gonna take 2 hours.
Yeah, I guess they thought we had right away. You know, we were turning left, crossing traffic.
Oh, have mercy, these bulldogs.
Yes, they are. Now the popo,
Oh,
the popo.
Your destination is on the left.
nope, they're all
With
naked.
both doors open, he must have farted and stumped the car up.
Stop it. There's a spot. There's a truck behind you.
Yeah.
You're just gonna have to wait. He ain't waiting.
Yeah, there you go. Pay attention.
Did your reverse lights come on?
Yeah.
I thought they worked, but I wasn't real sure.
Get off somebody's bumper.
All these people can't drive.
What was that? Trees back there.
Yeah, probably hit a tree.
Oh,
At least
it
it wasn't a building. I'm not. No.
Oh, we definitely ain't doing that. Alright, we are at Goodwill. And we're going to pause this. Speaking of which, I got to start pausing my videos. It's not letting me post some of them because they're too long. So, I need to start pausing them anyway. Let me get in my camera here so I can stop the recording. I don't know how long we've been recording. Yeah, anything over about 20 minutes, YouTube will not let me post it. It says my video is too long. Or it may be my computer is too slow or something. I don't know. I'm trying to connect to the camera now, the Action 5 Pro, so I can turn the recording off. There we go. How long have we been recording, does it say? Yeah, 17 minutes. So see, we're pushing the issue. I can probably cut some of this out though.